Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations, checking out this. It's from Ussunny. It's my S900. It's a dash cam that's going to record forward, back, and even work as a parking monitor to do time lapse and keep an eye on your vehicle when you're out and about. So what's so fantastic about this product? Well, first, it is super clear lens. They use real glass, several layers, to give you 4K and a clean image. This is the best image I've seen from any dash cam, and you know I've reviewed and looked at a lot of them. Now on top of that, that super capacitor is going to give you longer battery life than your lithium ion batteries. And on top of that, they've gone ahead and give you plenty of wire to where you can wire it in all the way around and not have to worry about having a bunch of cords out and about. Now, Ussunny has been making dash cams and they've been making quality products for years, and they care about their brand. This is a premium brand and a premium camera with the extra wide lens. And honestly, the big thing is if you get into an accident and it's someone else's fault, you want to be able to present that footage to your insurance company or to the courts to show that you're not at fault. Because let's face it, we all run into issues where somebody changes lanes, hits you, and then blames you. So folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I recently had a guy, he was taking a right turn, and then he decided to pull a left U-turn in a parking lot. Almost creamed my new Mustang. I didn't like it. That's why I decided to pick up the Ussunny dash cam. This thing is powerful. Front and back, you can get it going in a matter of seconds. 32 gigabyte memory card built in, 256 on the product itself, and it's got a big Sony processor, which means that this thing is among the best cameras on the planet. All right, I'm gonna show you some actual use. We have plenty of footage here. We're gonna show you some up close and personal. This thing is the cat's meow, it's the bee's knees. And if you're asking me, should you pick it up? Is it the best dash cam around? The answer is, I think so. All right, folks, go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products that we've tested and we love, and this one's fantastic. All right, now let me show you some of the use in the up-close portion of the video. But I have to warn you, I'm not even going to be able to come close to showing how cool this thing is. You just got to get it for yourself. All right, folks, so let me show you a little bit about this up close and personal. Now, first, it's great because it'll record forwards and back. It also records sound. So like, here's me currently, but I can go in and check out some of the previous videos that I recorded on this. And you can hear the sound in the background, you can hear the radio, you can hear anything going on, etc. So it's really easy to navigate, and you can go through this very easily, just like your cell phone. And that's nice that it's not super complex. Now, it has driving recording. It has parking mode, which is super fun too, because you can time lapse and record around your car when it's parked, parking monitor, etc., which is just going to come in very handy for your own safety and security. Change the language, product setting, formats, and product information. Those are the main functions. You can have sound on, which makes a real difference, and you can turn that off as well for your own privacy. So really a straightforward product. And then right over here is the memory card that records it all for you. All right, folks, you can switch back and forth, toggle between front and rear camera, anything you want here. This thing is easy peasy, and it's going to make a world of difference for, say, an insurance company wants the footage of when somebody hits you. Say somebody's suing you, you can say, no, they hit me, and you can show them that footage. You can see who broke into your car and have a record. And that's really what matters. If you're a good driver, you want to make sure that what you did was recorded and on the dash cam so everyone can see it. All right, folks, stick around. We're going to show you the up-close portion of the footage next. This thing is absolutely fantastic. Go ahead and pick it up. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of the video where you get to see all this cool stuff up close and personal. This is the Ussunny 4K dash cam. It's the model S900, 4K Ultra HD. That's amazing. They do dash cams in Ultra HD 4K now. 8 million pixels. That's incredible. 415 Sony sensor, and a 250 gigabyte max. Are you kidding me? That's crazy. This includes the dash cam, the rear camera, the 20 feet cable. If your rear camera needs to be more than 20 feet away, wow. 11.5-foot car charging supply cable, the 32 gigabyte card to store the video. That's important if you're ever need to go back and check the tapes. You can check the card. User manual, the suction cup bracket, the 3M bracket, the crowbar, the wire buckle, and the electrostatic sticker. All right, so let's go ahead and show you. Okay, look how petite this little guy is, right? How cool is that? That's not gonna be taking up a ton of space. Then you have, of course, the user manual. Let's go ahead and set these to where you can see them all. Actual size right there, boom. Very nice. You can see, I'm gonna show you that lens up close. Let's go ahead and peel that. Nice. Okay. And then you do have the suction cup for mounting. Oop, get that back in frame for you. Put that in frame, put that in frame. The suction cup, the pad, and of course the camera with the 30-foot cable, the DC, or what is it, outlet in. Put that there. Put this over here for you to see. And pretty much everything you need, including the crowbar, the adhesive, all that kind of stuff. All comes in the package. You don't have to worry about supplies. All right, folks, this is absolutely incredible. We're looking at, whoop, put that around there. This is Ussunny's 4K dash cam. Can't believe I had that upside down. And this is just really, really nice. Okay, you've got your backwards facing camera. I'm gonna take that off so you can see it. Rear camera, dash camera, and you're going to be able to see everything right here. All right, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. There's the memory card, and it is USB Type-C. There we go, USB Type-C on the side, as well as that card, power on and off, and your forward, back, etc. menu button, everything right there. Really easy to use. You can see there's the forward, back, and menu, USB-C and memory card. I would assume that's the power supply, the power on and off. And this is going to mount very easily, essentially, to your dashboard. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Go ahead and pick this up. This will, mount easily to your windshield. There we go, that's the right word. So go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and, well, adios, amigos. Go ahead and pick it up. Don't take my word for it. This thing is awesome.